Hi everyone, my name is Dylan Grant and welcome to part 2 of my presentation on Naimark Law Firm, the criminal activities of Naimark Law Firm, Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, who sided with these lawyers here to falsely represent my cases. Okay, feel free to pause and read as you go along if I'm going too fast. All right, thank you. It was now Naimark's law's turn to complete its deception. Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, 2019 to 2022. In the meantime, while I wait for the examination for discovery in May 2020, right? My pension was defrauded by Bell Mobility. Okay, my pension defrauded by Bell Mobility. Employees made permanent by Bell Mobility prior to the year 20. Let me read again. Employees made permanent to Bell Mobility prior to the year 2000 are grandfathered, right? Would receive a very good pension package at time of retirement. Yes, we were in a good pool, right? Employees made permanent by Bell Mobility after the year 2000 are ineligible for the grandfathered package. That package is not as great as the one that's grandfathered, okay? But prior to 2000. Therefore, those who are after the year 2000 are not privy to the, right, as I made mention, to the grandfathered, but are privy to the new pension package, okay? Industrial Alliance insurance owed for long-term disability. We went through this already with through Money Life, okay, presentation of Money Life. However, when I requested my disability information from my supervisor, right, I received the below. Look at this. My long-term disability, it shows that I was hired after, it shows there, hired after July 1st, 2000. I was hired on June 8, 1998. When they did this, it simply tells me that they have placed me in the new pension package. Therefore, I am not entitled to the grandfathered package. Defrauded. Okay. The date here is important, all right? And as you can see, I brought this one forward, this section here. Is Bell Mobility confused or was it an intent to deceive? I was employed by Bell Mobility on June 8, 1998. Information submitted to Service Canada indicated that my first day worked was October 20th, 2002. And I said the payroll department did it again. Yes, they kept messing up my pay, I tell you. But anyway, here it shows. It is here, right? Service Canada. And it says your Bell Mobility Inc., right? And it says that first day worked. That's what it is. First day worked. 20th of October, 2002. Okay, please feel free to review. Thank you. I should have obtained a better package from Bell Mobility, right? For my pension. Mobility was deceptive by indicating on the Service Canada form that my first day worked was October 20, 2002, which was a Sunday, as I made mention before. So has to cheat me out of my entitlement. I was hired on Monday, June 8, 1998. Okay. As a matter of fact, in October 1997, I was sent by the Apple One agency to Bell Mobility to assist with their Christmas rush. So I started Bell Mobility actually as October 1997, but it was through the agency, okay? We came in batches per month, September to November 1997. My batch consisted of 80 persons, right? At the end of the Christmas rush, a few of us were selected to remain at Mobility. I was one of 5 of 80 persons from the October 97 batch. Others were selected from other batches, okay? Okay, I'm one of 5 persons that remained in January 1998. I worked at Mobility, but I was paid by the Upper One agency from January 2nd, 1998 to June 5th, 1998. Since June 1998, right? June 8, 1998, my salary was with Mobility. So as you can see here, they have indicated 20th of October 2002, right? And as you can, and what they said here, that I was employed, I was hired after July 1st, 2000. False information. This deception meant that my retirement fund is incorrect. It should have been more than what they released to me when I was fired. Okay? Please note October 20, 2002 indicated below for, it was a Sunday. Just let you know, this was a Sunday. I was not employed on a Sunday. I was made permanent at Mobility on Monday, June 8, 1998. Mobility deliberately changed my hiring date so as to remove me from the grandfathered pension pool. Now the thing is, if they're going to tell a lie, they have to make sure that the dates line up. If anyone check the calendar, they recognize that the 20th of October 2002 was a Sunday. All right? Feel free to pause and read. Proof of date of hire below, June 8, 1998. This was a disability form that was filled out to Money Life Insurance regarding my short-term disability, right? And here it says service date, the 8th of June, year 1998, as you can see. Okay? Feel free to review. Thank you. I was trying to get an appointment to see this lawyer, right? Spoke with Courtney Madison. So Ryan Naimark stated here, she, which is Courtney's talking about, said you want to speak with me about your pension. I got it and I refused to sign because I knew it was incorrect, right? Because when I got fired, right, they gave me my pension package. And then, please feel free to pause and read here, okay? And as you can see, right, after, 22nd of September 2019, I did receive this letter after regarding how long I'll have to wait, on September 26, 2019, how long I'll have to wait 10 months for my wrongful dismissal. And with Benjamin Law, I retained Benjamin Law in February of 2019, and by August 2019, an examination for discovery was set. But with Naimark Law, I have to wait 10 months, eh? But anyway, in the meantime, I'm trying to have this lawyer deal with my pension documents, okay? October 2019. Between October 2019 to March 2019, no emails or mails received from the Office of Naimark Law. I sent emails to Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, right? Between the above periods, needed answers since I had to wait 8 more months. Instigated text messages to Ryan Naimark, but he only responded to a few. Saw Ryan Naimark in November 2019 for pension concerns, but did not receive the necessary assistance. Red flag there, okay? One of several proof that I was sending emails to Ryan Naimark, okay? And October 9, 2019, dear Mr., this was in the form of an attachment, that is, from pages 1 to 7. And then I said, dear Mr. Naimark, okay, and I'm telling him here, I just highlighted a few. If you can read the other parts, that you please do so. I said, however, I thought we would have met to discuss the misunderstanding or clarification required for these cases, because Courtney has been saying that my case is complicated. My cases are complicated, rather. Then I said, first, I will start with my disability claim, Money Life insurance, WSIB, and the medical field, right? And as you can see, the points here, I'm giving them my experiences, as you can see there, right? Then I said here, to date, I was never been contacted. I'm telling Ryan here. I was never being contacted regarding a statement of claim that was filed in the court on my behalf. To date, I have no knowledge of the amount of damages that Manulife Insurance, and it continues. I'll continue. Okay. As we continued, it says it's being sued. I do not know, what was being sued, right? Or there was no discussion. I have not discussed what the contents were for filing a claim. I was telling Ryan Naimark, right, in October 2019, that I did not know about the statement of claims. Okay, then I said here, please confirm the process of the legal system when filing a claim with the courts. I asked him, Okay, then I was telling him about my wrongful dismissal bearability, second wrongful dismissal bearability, and I itemized the stuff. Okay, please feel free to pause and read if you can. Okay, and here's another letter on October 28, 2019, right, to Ryan Naimark, and I said here, regarding my pension plan with mobility, my pension earns extra cash, and the only way I am entitled to the cash is to sign the pension plan. Already in your position, yeah. Okay, I've enlarged it on another slide. Okay, so you can continue reading. All right. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Although I said I've enlarged it on another slide. Thank you. Okay, this is a better view of the email that I was presenting on the previous slide regarding Ryan Naimark. I sent this email to him on October 28th, and I'll read again for you regarding my pension plan with mobility. My pension plan earns extra cash, and the only way I am entitled to the cash is to sign the pension plan already in your possession, which will remove me from the Bell pension pool. The mobility over the years have been very selective on employees who would reach the entire retirement age. Therefore, there's a history of many employees being laid off, fired, or resigned due to distress on the job. I have exhausted my RSP and shares and have no money left. Therefore, I was asking your advice on how to proceed. I was wrongfully terminated from work and have received conflicting opinions on my pension plan. So please advise with explanation. Then I said, I have received information from your firm regarding a discovery date of May 2020. I have not yet signed, since I would like to discuss my legal situation in brief with you. All right, and I also include information attachments for him to review. Feel free to pause and read, because Naimark law, I provide the Naimark law with all the information necessary. Yeah, but never met with a lawyer. Never met with a lawyer. Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Provided information to Naimark law, right? Also queried about the examination for discovery that was cancelled August 16, 2019. Some of the many proofs of incorrect medical report provided by the Ministry of Health. So I'm sending emails. I'm sending emails. It's my case, all right? To Ryan Naimark on October 28, 2019, 11:42. As you can see, I said, Dear Mr. Naimark, please review the following attachment with the medical report provided by the Ministry of Health. And I sent the distorted medical document from Ministry of Health and medical documents, see dated medical report and all that. Please feel free to pause and read. Okay. Courtney responded because she was copied in, right? So Courtney responded on behalf of Ryan, and she stated, Hi Delane, I am happy to speak with Ryan on your question, and we can set a time for the two of you to speak. It would be helpful to send one email with your questions, and Ryan can review the file in advance of your call. Please don't feel the need to resend items we already have. You can just reference them in your questions to help for a concentrated review. To answer your question, yes, I believe the discovery that was supposed to occur should be this past summer is scheduled for 2020 given all lawyers availability. Remember, I retained Benjamin Law in February 2019, and by August 16, 2019, the date was set for the discovery, right? Examination for discovery, long-term disability, right? I was inquiring about the cancelled, right, discovery of August 16. She only tell me that it was rescheduled for 2020, but I did not receive anything to confirm that to confirm a rescheduled date. All I received was the date for wrongful dismissal, which would be May 15, 2020. Nothing about the long-term disability, and this was October. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Okay, Courtney and I are still in email. We are emailing each other back and forth. So Courtney mentioned here, all right, from Courtney, I enlarged it, and she said on October 30th, 2019, and see Ryan and Samantha and Denise were copied, right? She said, I will get you Ryan's opinion on signing the pension papers, okay? She said, I understand you are unhappy with the timing of the discovery. You are, I guess, you're LTD, my long-term disability wrongful dismissal file came to us this summer. I will check with my assistant to see if the defense lawyers had earlier dates. I am getting married in mid-February and then going on my honeymoon, so we can see about getting an earlier date for discovery, but it is likely I will not be able to attend the discovery with you. Okay. If you are agreeable, I will check with my assistants. I cannot go to discovery without my lawyer. Okay. Why did they take my cases, eh? Sam Faruta Markin Law was doing their thing on the ball, and Benjamin Law was doing their thing on the ball, and here this lawyer took my cases and then telling me she's getting married and whatever. So why take my cases? So she have her domestic stuff dealing with, and I have to wait. Huh? I have to sit and wait. Why? Okay, why? All right. And here, I said here, provide information Naimark law, right? I think I responded. This was at 30th. Yes, I responded at 12:41 a.m. I responded to Courtney. All right. And I said here, thank you for your quick response. August 2019, I sent all my concerns and I've been awaiting a response. Most importantly, the question regarding my pension that was submitted in August 2019 with attachment was my main concern. I have exhausted all my funds, therefore I required legal advice. And I said, I have outlined my concerns in the body of the first email sent last night. Please also review the email sent on August 2019. An urgent response is required. To date, I am at a loss on the damages being sued in the courts for disability and wrongful dismissal. Therefore, please advise with explanation. Here I'm trying to tell this lawyer that I do not know what damages for the long-term disability and wrongful dismissal, okay? And then you can read, but I'm going to read the boldest section, right? I'm very disappointed in the date agreed for my discovery, which will be 2 years. Yeah, it will be 2 years because I was fired May 24, 2018. So I have to wait until May 15, 2020, which will be 2 years since I was terminated from my place of work. I had advised you at the time that I was at the stage of discovery for August 2019 with Benjamin Law, who was instrumental in obtaining a date in 6 months. I had trusted that it would have been revisited sooner than later with your firm, right? You can continue reading. Then I said here, whatever I said, what a system. I tried my best to stay healthy. Yes, this was when I had the car accident. Because all that I had was just an injury from bell mobility. I was healthy. All I had was just the injury from mobility, and they put me right back in the system because of the motor vehicle accident. So I'm explaining something to Courtney here, and I said, "What a system! I try my best to stay healthy, so as not to get involved again in the medical system here in Canada." Then what happened? Two rear-ended car accidents in 1 month. I already knew the system, and again will be placed on another roller coaster ride with the insurance company. Yeah. People feel to pause and read if you wish. Thank you. November 2019. November 2019 was all about my pension. So we're trying to arrange a meeting and all that, right? So in the meantime here, I had, because of Courtney saying she's getting married and all that, and my information, my cases would have been delayed because of they're not having time for me, right? I messaged Ryan because I need answers regarding my pension. Okay, so here on the 7th of November 2019, I emailed Ryan Naimark and I said, "Good morning, Ryan. I hope that all is well. In July 2019, you came highly recommended by Marvlet to be my lawyer. When I came to your office, I thought your representatives were taking the information for you to review my case when you become available. It was never confirmed that Courtney would have been my lawyer since I came to your firm, right? Came to your firm to be represented only by you, right? Here, see what I've highlighted here? Proof that I was coerced, right? In July 2019, I pleaded with Courtney that I had wished that my disability case remain with Benjamin Law since my discovery was in August 2019, but it was advised that all cases should be transferred to your firm. I was recently made aware that I would have to wait 10 months from the time I was retained by your firm. There are more emails to follow. All right. Yeah. So Courtney, I'm saying Ryan's supposed to be my lawyer. So why Courtney come in the midst now to say, oh, it cannot be done until May, right? And she has this to do and that to do. I needed this ASAP. All right. Please feel free to pause and read as you go along. Okay. Thank you. And as it goes along here, please feel free to read. It's in regards to my encounter with Naimark Law at the beginning there. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. And again, more information. Still, long text message, I tell you. Here, I highlighted for a reason. The insurance company and the medical system is another disappointment. I was already informed last year that they work together. Yeah. Adrian Nicolini told my co-worker Rose while I was sitting there and I was telling him about the medical system and the mistreatment and all that, and my WSIB lawyer is going to tell my co-worker Rose, who came for consultation, that the medical system and the insurance work together. All right. Yeah, and it's obvious because of what I've experienced, right? Again, I'll read the insurance company and the medical system is another disappointment. I was already informed since last year that they work together. Maybe I shouldn't have told the lawyer that. Oh my God. Hence the reason the medical system had opted out of examining me for my 2-car accident. See, I told the lawyer that I was not examined. This was now November, okay? Right, opt out of examining me for my 2-car accident. So I would be without a medical record to prove injury. See, I'm telling Ryan Naimark, okay? Both my knees are now swollen and still all my evidences. I guess I missed some information here. So, well, all my evidences. So please, I'm asking for your representation to recommend that as recommended by Marvlet. Thank you and have a great day. And it says, Ryan Naimark responded, "Hi, I am your lawyer. However, I do not handle day-to-day matters. I have other lawyers that assist me with day-to-day matters. I generally attend the important steps: mediation, pre-trial, and trial." Okay, so Courtney. All right. So please feel free to review. Thank you. Okay. And there was an appointment made. Ryan Naimark stated here, can you come at 6 p.m. tomorrow? Not 4 p.m. at 141 Adelaide Street. That's where they're located. Okay. And I didn't drive. I actually took the subway in my pain, I tell you. Okay. I said, okay, I will. On the 23rd of November 2019, that was the meeting date. Supposed to be at 6 p.m. Right? I said, hi, Ryan. And this was at 5:53 p.m. Okay, as you can see. Hi, Ryan. I am at the entrance, but the doors are locked. There is no one at the front desk at the moment. Okay, I'll tell you about this meeting. The meeting was not at 6 p.m., but was placed in a room to wait due to another meeting the lawyer was involved in. That's what he said. I waited over an hour to be rushed due to a reservation. Dinner reservation, that is, Dinner reservation the lawyer had. Meeting lasted about 15 minutes. I give them 15 minutes. Could be less. Okay, I just say 15 minutes. No resolution. Pension matter not resolved. Left documents, okay, with lawyer. The copies I did with lawyer to advise. So I said, met with lawyer at his office on November 23rd, 2019. Meeting scheduled for 6 p.m. on the day. Lawyer told me that he was in another meeting. I waited over an hour. Okay, went through that. All right, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Naimark law firm ignored my pension concerns. Wow. There was a deadline to sign off on the pension, or else I would have lost out on opportunities. I had to sign the defrauded pension to secure it until age 65 years. I require my original pension value from Bear Mobility. I need that. I was employed prior to 2000, right? So because of I did not receive the assistance, the required assistance from Naimark Law, I lost out. Well, I'm just hoping that I can recuperate it at some point in time. Yeah, Bear Mobility cheated me. Okay,